On the behalf of Hyderabad Traffic Police and Hyderabad City Police, I welcome our Chief Guest, Honorable Shri Anjani Kumar, Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad City. Adevidanga, the famous Telugu and Tamil heroine who is amongst us, Miss Anjali Garu, and my colleague L.H. Chauhan Garu, Bhaskar Garu, Karnakar Garu, and SCSC convener Dr. Tarun Joshi Garu, Director SCSC Rajshekhar Garu, Piyush Garu, the Joint Director of SCSC Traffic Firm, all the staff of Hyderabad Traffic Police, City Police, and very important today, all our traffic faristas and press and media. Once again, good evening and welcome all of you to this historical day today, because this is going to be historical day for Hyderabad Traffic Police, as today we are going to launch Traffic Fariste in Hyderabad city. Earlier also, attempts were made by the Hyderabad Traffic Police to involve the community in traffic regulation, in creating awareness about the traffic safety. In those programs, traffic commandos or traffic wardens, such kind of programs were launched. But unfortunately, those things could not be sustained for long because they were not in a very organized manner, and over a period of time they have disappeared. But today, with the SCSC, Hyderabad City Security Council, and the active participation of all its officers, Hyderabad Traffic Police, under the able guidance and directions given by our beloved CP sir, we are making it in a very organized manner, and it is going to be institutionalized now. So whether the officers coming and going will not affect, this system will continue. That is why I told that it is a very historical day for Hyderabad Traffic Police. This is a kind of new beginning for the Hyderabad public, because in this program, public is coming to participate in creating traffic awareness, in regulating the traffic, and contributing their might to make the Hyderabad city the best city in the country, best city in the world. Already over the years, we have been successful in reducing the road accidents in Hyderabad city, and in the coming days, we are going to decrease it further. And similarly, so many innovations being done by the Hyderabad Traffic Police on technological front, and now with the involvement of Traffic Fariste, the public of Hyderabad city, we are definitely going to achieve new heights, new targets, and bringing the happiness to the citizens of Hyderabad city. As I told that without the participation of citizens, we can't achieve anything. And today, we are happy that citizens, they themselves are coming forward to contribute in achieving all these success. Similarly, today, we are going to launch three small traffic films also. And these are the films to create awareness among the public that why they should follow the traffic safety rules, and how it is very important that each of one become a law-abiding citizen by following the rules and regulations of Traffic Vehicle Act, Motor Vehicle Act, and how we can save many lives by just following the small things, by inculcating the good behavior, good attitude among our children, so that they become the best citizen in the future. So, not taking much time, I will request our chief guest, CP Garu, and our guest of honor, Ms. Anjali Garu, to kindly unveil the short film CD logo.
సిటీ పోలీస్ తరఫు నుంచి ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ నేను ఈరోజు ఈ ఫంక్షన్కి స్పెషల్ గెస్ట్ అంజలి గారికి చాలా థ్యాంక్స్ చెప్తున్నాము. ఒక మంచి కాజ్ గురించి ఆమె ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. ఆల్ ఆఫ్ అస్ ఆర్ హియర్ ఫర్ ఏ స్మాల్ ఈవినింగ్, ఏ స్మాల్ గ్యాదరింగ్, స్మాల్ ఫంక్షన్. బట్ ఇదికి మెసేజ్ చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఉంది. Nothing is more important in this world than human life. And in human life gurunchi, whether it is traffic, whether it is drugs, whether it is other bad habits, ఇది ఒకటే ఇండివిజువల్ కి రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ కాదు, ఒక ఫ్యామిలీకి రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ కాదు, ఇది ఒక సొసైటీకి కలెక్టివ్ రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ ఉంది. Some small child unknowingly may cross the road in a hurry and he may get hit by a vehicle. A small child, we cannot blame them, but we have to blame the system. It is our failure collectively that we have not created that awareness. ఈ రోజు మీ అందరూ ఇదే అవేర్నెస్ కోసం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చారు. And awareness, every day it has to continue. Chala big cities lo, number of death on road is more than number of death because of murder and other crime. Idi oka chala serious issue. India lo ante national highway lekapothe expressway lo kuda meeru chudandi. Any accident, that means compulsory it will be fatal because of high speed. Modern technology lo anni fast moving vehicles vastundi. Eight o'clock. సో ఇది చూడండి ఎంత మంచి సౌండ్, ఇది సౌండ్ ఆఫ్ ద బెల్. ఫ్రమ్ ఎ ట్రెడిషనల్ బెల్ టు మోడర్న్ డిజిటల్ బెల్, లైఫ్ హ్యాస్ మూవ్డ్ సో ఫాస్ట్. సో వెన్ లైఫ్ హ్యాస్ మూవ్డ్ సో ఫాస్ట్, ఇట్ హ్యాస్ టు బి ప్రొటెక్టెడ్. అండ్ ఓన్లీ ఎ son telling the father that wear helmet, wear seat belt is not enough. Culture of law abiding citizen, that is the strength of any country. A good child who is taught the basic value and culture of law abiding will be a great asset to the country. Once he grows up, or once she grows up, whatever she will do will be good for the country. ఒక వర్డ్ ఉంది మోడర్న్ మేనేజ్మెంట్ లాంగ్వేజ్లో, హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్స్ డెవలప్మెంట్. సో హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ అంటే ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ యాజ్ ఎ రిసోర్స్. అండ్ హ్యూమన్ రిసోర్స్ అంటే ఇండియాలో ఎంత 130 crores. We are the richest country in the world as far as human resources is concerned. So, oka small step for a big journey, and that is why all traffic farishtes ki particularly nenu chala thanks cheptunnamu. Your contribution is beyond any measurement. You do not know how many lives you have saved by creating the awareness. And that is why I really compliment all the traffic wing, all the officers under the leadership of Additional CP Traffic Anil Kumar, that tirelessly they have been working 24 hours, whether it is the monsoon flood, whether it is the winter, December, or now the summer, April, May, June. They are always on the road to see that you are safe and your near and dear one are safe. I am really grateful that Miss Anjali is here. I have a lot of regard and respect for the movie world of India. Reason that this is one of the field in which we are perhaps next only to Hollywood. No other country can match the strength, the depth of the movie world which India has. And the sensitivity with which all the producer, directors, actors, they read, they analyze the characters which reflect each one of us. It requires real creativity. And I am also happy that now, these days, police is reflected in a better image. Earlier, police was mostly villain in the movies. Now, police are also heroes. So that's something very good. That is the changing image of police department. And I will request Anjali Garu that whenever she gets a chance, she must play a role of a lady police officer.
Sir, I just did one.
You did one? Which movie?
It is called Nishabdam, but I played an NRI cop in Seattle.
NRI cop in Seattle. Very nice. That's nice. I will see that movie then. Okay, sure. And why I am saying this? Because as a lady, when a lady cop is seen on the screen, particularly in a country like India, it conveys a very strong message. Because our department traditionally is seen as a male department. And that is why Telangana government is one of the first government in the country to make a rule that every new recruitment, 30% will be women officers. And now, when you go to any police station in Hyderabad City Police, in Hyderabad limit, you will find that we have special care, special room, special facility for all women officers who are working with us. And as far as professionalism is concerned, there is no work which a male police officer is doing which a women police officer cannot do. They are equally trained, equally motivated, equally strong, and equally professionally solid. So I once again thank each one of you for taking your valuable time for this good cause, for the society, for the city, and for our country. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.
Good evening, Andarki Namaskaram. So I would like to speak in Telugu. Traffic rules నేను ఎక్కువ పాటించడానికి నేను ఆశపడతాను అండ్ ఈవెన్ ఎవ్రీ డే నా డ్రైవర్కి నేను చెప్పేది ఒకటే, ఫాస్ట్గా వెళ్ళదు, ఇండికేటర్ వేసి లైన్ క్రాస్ చేయి అండ్ సిగ్నల్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వు, సిగ్నల్స్కి రెస్పెక్ట్ ఇవి. సో చాలా చాలా చిన్న విషయాలు మనకు ఎవరు చెప్పక్కర్లేదు, మనకు తెలిసిన విషయాలే. సిగ్నల్ పడితే ఆగాలి, హెల్మెట్ వేసుకోకుండా బైక్ తీయకూడదు, సీట్ బెల్ట్ వేసుకోకుండా కార్ తీయకూడదు. సో ఇవన్నీ చాలా చిన్న విషయాలు, కానీ మనం డే టు డే యాక్టివిటీస్లో అది మనం ఫాలో అవ్వడం మర్చిపోతున్నాం. అండ్ చాలా మంది రోడ్ యాక్సిడెంట్స్లో మనం చనిపోవడం, ఇవన్నీ వినడం బేసిక్ యూనో సేఫ్టీ తీసుకోకపోవడం. సో నేను మీ అందరినీ రిక్వెస్ట్ చేస్తున్నాను అండ్ ట్రాఫిక్ రూల్స్ ఫాలో అవ్వండి అండ్ సేఫ్గా ఇంటికి వెళ్ళండి అండ్ మీ ఫ్యామిలీతో సంతోషంగా ఉండండి. అండ్ ఐ కంగ్రాచులేట్ ఎవ్రీబడి, ఎవ్రీ వాలంటీర్ హియర్. And I feel so proud to be here and sharing this stage with Commissioner Sir, Assistant Commissioner Sir, and I feel very honored. And thank you so much for inviting me. And thank you.